Hello bears, in this video I will show how to fix Facebook Lite message not showing problem. You have received a message but your version of Facebook Lite does not support it. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Facebook Lite. Update Facebook Lite app if showing Play Store or App Store. Tap on Hold Facebook Lite. Click on App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Storage. Tap on Clear. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.